Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only, our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Here you will find only the most useful. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers, when you register on which, you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear about the Arab Emirates? Probably hundreds of oil wells, luxurious palaces of sheikhs, Dubai, which was built in the desert in just 50 years, and the tallest tower in the world, the Burj Khalifa. Where would it be without it? And many still believe that all this wealth associated with the Arab Emirates, and Dubai in particular, has come exclusively from oil, which they sell by the ton per day. But data shows that the country's income from oil is now only 30%, and most of the Emirates' profits come not from black gold, but from the technology sector, real estate, tourism, and information services. Over the past 5 years, a huge number of IT companies have moved to Dubai. After all, the simplest format of opening a business and virtually zero taxes create a chic environment for work. Also, such conditions are ideal for young crypto companies. Dubai has made a huge bet on crypto in the last year. Because of that, they have created a full-fledged regulatory body, as well as various organizations that help in opening crypto businesses. And, at the moment, Dubai is doing everything it can to fully become the crypto capital of the world. This desire of the Emirates to develop crypto in their country is generating huge interest among investors. After all, as crypto funds manage large capitals, it does have an impact on cryptocurrency. So today you will learn, how is crypto developing in the Emirates? Why is Dubai aspiring to become the crypto capital of the world? Can crypto be more profitable than oil? And, what cryptocurrency are the sheikhs buying? This is our first video format, but in the future we plan to shoot crypto videos in other countries as well. For example, in El Salvador. After all, the president of El Salvador is actively pushing Bitcoin. People already get a small salary in it, and they are so fond of it, that even on Miss Universe, the girls perform in such interesting costumes. So if you like this format of the video, put as many likes as you can and we will be happy to make such a video for you. Have a nice viewing. Here we go. Hello everyone, you're on the Cryptanic channel. Perhaps the most common misconception is that it is oil that is at the center of the Dubai economy. Yes, it used to be that oil sales accounted for almost 100% of the country's GDP, but now that number has dropped to almost 30% in 2022. And in fact, oil was only found in Dubai 50 years ago, of which there is not much. After all, most of the oil and gas exports come from Abu Dhabi. Because of this, Dubai has long had to diversify its economy. That's why the former fishing town turned into a thriving commercial port and then became the most popular vacation spot on the map for the rich. For the same reason, it is now trying to become the technology capital of the world, and crypto with blockchain technology is at the center of this idea. There is even a plan, Dubai Blockchain, which will provide economic opportunities to all business sectors in Dubai and reinforce Dubai's status as a global technology leader. According to the goal of digital, Dubai to become a global leader in the smart economy, boosting private business and global competitiveness, and the goal is for this crypto boom to create more than 40,000 new jobs by 2030. Looking at the pace at which Dubai is growing, I think they will succeed. After all, even the head of the Arab Emirates digital government, Hamad Al-Mansouri, said that Dubai is usually very quick to adopt any new technology. Betting on cryptocurrency is also a way for Dubai to take the lead in the world. After all, let's be honest, in recent times, crypto, NFT, and meta villages have only been scaling up, allowing them to be used for more than just making money. And in this regard, the same Al-Mansouri said that blockchain is tied to security. This technology can be used to increase transparency in various contracts or in the government. For example, that's why, back in 2016, Dubai unveiled a plan to create a fully digitized government by 2021. As part of this project, Dubai has formed a global blockchain council. It includes government agencies, banks and technology firms, and its goal was to introduce the technology throughout the city. Today, blockchain is integrated everywhere, from education systems to security, from transportation to healthcare. It is against this backdrop that Dubai is now aggressively pursuing plans to attract even more crypto businesses. Nevertheless, it will still take time for Dubai to fully achieve its goals. Basically, just like in any other field, after all, you and I know very well that it takes a lot of time and resources to start really getting into something, and to achieve a positive result without a number of failures is almost impossible. But imagine that you can get all the information you need, as they say, on a silver platter, in simple and understandable words. So I want to advise you to buy our subscription and earn with us. As I told you, in the beginning hundreds of crypto companies and traders started coming to Dubai en masse. But why? First of all, it's because of zero taxes, as well as full-fledged regulation of crypto. Crypto entrepreneurs have long enjoyed Dubai's zero corporate taxes. Also, residents pay 0% of all income in all forms, regardless of whether it was earned in the emirate or elsewhere. Blockchain is treated just like any other property, which means that cryptocurrency traders are completely exempt from paying taxes on any profits made from trading. For any crypto companies that wish to register in Dubai, there is a special organization called DMCC. It allows you to register any crypto firm completely legally. And do you know how much it will cost? You won't believe it. Depending on the company, the price ranges from $3,000 to $5,000, and for the cryptocurrency industry it's just mere pennies. Well, plus you need to get a special license, but it costs up to $3,000 a year, and on top of that you can get a swanky office in the DMCC building for an additional $4,000. Also, there are individual rates depending on the company, which allows you to grow your crypto business for pennies, because of such swanky conditions for any business. Even Pavel Durov moved to Dubai back in 2017, and Telegram is also registered in the Emirates and based in Dubai. But low taxes attract not only IT companies, but also huge crypto giants, such as OKX, Bybit, Cryptocom and of course Binance. Last year they all managed to buy a license to work in Dubai. In March 2022, Bybit completely moved its main headquarters from Singapore to Dubai. This was influenced not only by low taxes, but also by full-fledged regulation. The United Arab Emirates has made a Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, or VARA, as it is called. Such a regulator is needed to grant licenses to crypto firms that want to operate in Dubai, and it oversees all activities related to crypto assets. The regulator is charged with enforcing the law, including penalizing businesses that violate them, as well as issuing exchange licenses. The introduction of VARA and the new laws are radically different from what regulators in the West are trying to do. Emirati regulation is more about overseeing the crypto sector than curbing it. In comparison, Singapore, which competes with Dubai, goes so far as to even restrict advertising to crypto firms to protect people from the risks of crypto trading, and these advantages of the Emirates are already yielding some results. Not only are well-known crypto exchanges flocking to Dubai, but other investments as well. This is especially impressive given that last year was not exactly a positive year for crypto. Nevertheless, according to global data, last year, the crypto sphere secured more than $5.1 billion in more than 1,000 different investments. In 2022, it secured just over $210 billion, and the Arab Emirates were virtually unaffected by this crypto winter. And according to global data, the amount invested in blockchain projects rose from $420 million to $107 million from 2021 to 2022. Although this is only a fraction of the investments coming into the sphere, even in last year's bear market. In general, many startup crypto companies also receive ideal conditions from the lending side. After all, the interest rate in the Emirates is 4%, which is even less than in the USA. By the way, let me remind you that the Fed will announce a new interest rate as early as the 1st of February. Markets are gradually starting to prepare for this day, and in the near future we will be able to observe the active volatility of crypto, to let you know in advance where the market will move before the Fed's decision. Go to our Telegram channel, there we will post a forecast for you, so you know how to capitalize on this event. Nevertheless, Dubai has some problems to solve in order to secure its leadership position in the world. These are things like fraud risk and international competition. Dubai is not immune to crypto fraud. The head of digital asset crime at the Dubai Police Department said that in the first half of 2021, there were hundreds of crypto frauds in Dubai, resulting in a total loss of $210 million. That's actually what the VARA regulator was invented for. But Dubai is not the only one who wants to take over the whole crypto sphere. Bahrain, Egypt and Qatar also have big ambitions to do the same. For example, Bahrain is actively competing with the Arab Emirates in Dubai. However, it is unclear how big of a threat Bahrain is, given that just over $9 million has been invested in blockchain projects in the country since 2019. So I think Dubai will remain the leader in this market. Now that we understand the money Dubai is investing in the crypto industry, I wonder what cryptocurrency the Sheikhs are buying. Maybe they have some interesting coins in their portfolio that they could buy for themselves. As of today, there are not many crypto funds in Dubai that hold specific coins in their assets. They are more into investing in the field itself and companies. But nevertheless, there is one fund that has more than $20 million under management, and you can find in public sources that it owns naturally Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as the Monero coin. There is another larger fund called Nine Masts Capital, which was founded by the former head of the international consulting company PwC, and over the summer, it has already received $750 million to scale from backers, and also owns over $100 million worth of crypto. It ranks 26th, according to the data, among all the funds, and most of its portfolio consists of exactly the underlying assets, such as Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum. Generally, in this plan, Sheikhs choose more proven coins, and most of the capital is directed precisely to various young promising companies. But with the arrival of new investment firms, the number of crypto funds will only grow. Actually, today we found out who is the cryptocurrency capital of the world. Dubai is really a real phenomenon. I believe that it has absolutely everything to continue developing in this direction. New companies, projects and exchanges will increasingly start developing in Dubai. Therefore, it will be interesting to see what the Emirates will manage to achieve this year. I recall that we're planning to shoot another similar video, only about other countries, so we are waiting for your thumbs up, and write in the comments which country you'd like to see this video about. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so as not to miss new videos, and as always, see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.